Protect your time. Sounds simple, but it's one of the biggest life upgrades you can make. Here's what it actually means in practice. Number one, know what deserves your time. If you don't decide this, everything will feel important. Treat your time like money. You have a limited daily budget. Number two, stop saying yes to everything. Every yes to something unimportant is a no to something that matters. Start saying, not today. You don't need long explanations. Number three, set boundaries, even small ones. People will take as much time as you allow. For example, do not reply instantly to every message, or limit how long you stay in a conversation that go nowhere. Number four, control your distractions. Most time isn't lost, it's given away. Turn off non essential notifications or set a 30 to 60 minutes focus block with no phone. Use apps intentionally, not automatically. Number five, plan your day loosely. You don't need a perfect schedule, just direction. Simple method. Pick three important things for the day. Do them first. Everything else is optional. Number six, accept that you'll disappoint some people. This is the hard truth. When you protect your time, some people will say you've changed. Some won't like your boundaries. And that's normal. It means you're taking control. Number seven, rest is part of protection. Protecting your time doesn't mean being busy 24/7. Rest on purpose. Relax without guilt. And don't confuse rest with wasting time.